In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the primary country location on your Facebook page. This process can be pretty straightforward once you get the hang of it, but it's essential to follow each step carefully to make sure everything goes smoothly. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Facebook account and navigate to the page you administer. At the top of the page, you'll find the Settings option. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're in the settings, there is a menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you need to select the General option. This section is where you'll be able to manage many of your page settings, including the location. Now, you'll need to find the section labeled Country Restrictions. If you click on it, you will see a box where you can type in the countries you want your page to be associated with. This feature is useful because it allows you to tailor your content to specific audience locations. But for now, we're focusing on setting a primary country location. In the same General section, look for Page Location. Here, you'll type in the name of the primary country where you want your page to be associated. Once you've typed it in, make sure you click Save Changes to ensure that your selection is updated and confirmed. And that's it. Your Facebook page now recognizes the country you just specified as its primary location. It's important to remember that changing your page's primary country location might impact the reach of your posts. Pages are more discoverable by people in the country you selected, which can be advantageous if you're aiming to target a specific regional audience. However, it may limit visibility in other areas, especially if there are any restrictions. In case you find that you're unable to carry out these changes due to any restrictions, it could be because Facebook regularly updates its policies. It's a good idea to check the Support Center for guidance relevant to any recent updates or reach out to Facebook support for assistance. It can also be helpful to double-check that you have the permissions necessary to make these changes, as sometimes page settings need an administrator's access. I hope this guide helps you successfully change the primary country location on your Facebook page. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking it and subscribing for more content like this. Feel free to leave any questions you might have in the comments section, and I'll be happy to help out. Thanks for watching, and have a great day!